Good morning. Cat hair all over my microphone. But cat people, you know my pain. So much cat hair. Good morning. I just thought I'd start streaming because why not? I got a VUE exercise to do, but I've never built anything with VUE, so we'll see how this goes. I'm going to use this time to learn a bit. I have my toast. I got some yogurt. Yogurt with blueberries, cocoa nibs, hemp seeds, coconut flakes. Yeah. And you're probably wondering what this is. I had to find a different lot. It's still not great. I look like washed out or something. That works. So nest can be put away for right now. Oh, let's put on some music. So much cat hair everywhere. VLC. Put it over here. Play. I noticed it was too quiet last night, so I'm going to turn it up a little bit. And hopefully, sounds a little better. Oh, looks like I can adjust. Yeah, let's do this. Adjust the LUT a little bit. Better. Okay. Don't need these open. Don't need simulator. I don't know why that just opened. All right, I feel like I'm stepping into a new reality, trying to learn VUE. Where do I even start? API style now defaults to composition API. Okay, I like it. Some pages contain different content. Don't you lay on that. He's laying on my computer, and sometimes if he unplugs it, everything shuts down. Come on, get up. Sorry, buddy. Oh, okay. VUE, pronounced VUE. JavaScript framework for building user interface. Yes, I know that much. So this is how it selects the DOM node. Okay. Right. I assume this is all in one file. Declarative rendering. Vue extends the standard HTML template like that. Click. Declarative. Mutation. It's one of the weird things I have to get used to. I got so used to like immutable practices in React. And some people at my last job were doing it. And I guess if it's scoped well, it's fine. You know what you're doing. Vue automatically tracks JavaScript state changes. Okay. Vue is a framework and ecosystem that covers most of the common features needed in front-end development. The web is extremely diverse. The things we need to build may vary drastically in form and scale. With that in mind, Vue is designed to be flexible, incrementally adoptable. Depending on your use case, Vue can be used in different ways. I should check. Chat window. Okay, I don't know how to do that. What did I click on? I went to the wrong place. There we go. Pop. Now, one of these days, when somebody feels like saying something, I will see it. Okay. Now I'll eat my yogurt and read the rest of this Vue. Interesting. Embedding as web components, okay. Single page app. SSR, SSG. Targeting mobile. Okay. If you find these intimidating, don't worry. If you're an experienced developer interested in how to best integrate Vue into your stack, we'll discuss these in more detail. Ways of using Vue. Ways of using Vue. We believe there's no one-size-fits-all story for the web. Good. This is why Vue is designed to be flexible and incrementally adoptable. Now I take a bite. Depending on your use case, Vue can be used in different ways to strike the optimal balance between stack complexity, developer experience, and end performance. Cool. Vue can be used as a standalone script, no build step required. If you have a backend framework that already renders most of your HTML, your front-end logic isn't complex enough to justify a build step. Yep. Vue also provides an alternative distribution called Petite Vue, specifically optimized for progressively enhancing existing HTML. Okay, let's look at it. It provides the same template syntax and reactivity mental model as standard Vue. However, it's specifically optimized for sprinkling a small amount of interactions. 6 KB, it's good. Simply load it from a CDN. What do we want? Let's look at this one. So we have a module. This isn't a full HTML file, so I'm wondering, probably gets used somewhere else. This is kind of weird. Oh yeah, from source. Bringing in the create app function, mount. Where does it mount? Just uses everything here, I guess. Scope. Interesting. Is it driven by this V-scope? Sort key. Click sort key class. Active sort key as key. It's an interesting convention. So it knows this is a Boolean, and it says If true, apply this class, I guess. This is when you ask Claude. Hi, Claude. I'm learning Vue. Yes. Okay, that's fine. Probably knows enough. I'm wondering how the, was it class like this? Yeah. Oh my gosh, I forgot what that's called. I almost said argument. Elements have, this is so stupid. Oh, this is what happens when you burn out. Just forget things. Attributes. For example, does this mean it applies the active class? Let's use this class. When sort key and key are the same. I'm on the right track. Class attribute, which is shorthand for the bind class, allows you to dynamically bind CSS classes to an element based on your component's data or computed properties. In the example you provided, class active key object syntax for class binding. The key in the object is CSS class name you want to apply. Active value is a Boolean expression that determines whether the class should be applied. Yeah, okay. My hunch was correct. So you are correct. The expression short key value is true, the active class will be added to the element. If it's false, it won't. Particularly useful for toggling classes based on component state. Get multiple classes in object. No, I think I don't need an example. This yogurt is exceptionally good today. The blueberries are spot on right now. Okay, back to the docs. Some applications require rich interactivity, deep session depth, non-trivial stateful logic, and front end, yes. Best way to build such applications, Steve's architectural review not only controls the entire page, but also handles data updates and navigation without having to reload the page, yes. This type of application is typically referred to as single-page application, right? VUE provides core libraries and comprehensive tooling support with amazing developer experience for building spots. Client-side router, blazing fast tools, IDE, browser, TypeScript, testing. Good. Require a backend to expose API endpoints. Also pair with solutions like inertia to get the spa benefits while returning a server-centric development model. What is this? Build single-page apps without building an API. Create modern single-page React views felt using classic server-side routing. Tuned for Laravel. Oh, I wonder if they use this. Inertia is a new approach to building classic server-driven web apps. We call it a modern monolith. Inertia allows you to create fully client-side rendered single-page apps without complexity that comes with modern spas. It does this by leveraging existing server-side patterns you already love. Inertia has no client-side routing, nor does it require an API. Simply build controllers and page views like you've always done. Okay, show me. Render users show. Okay, yeah. So looks and pages for users / show. Renders that. Gives it user data. Yep. So it works with any backend, but best for Laravel. Well, cool. Anyway, here we go. Pure client-side spas are problematic when the app has sensitive SEO and time to content. Yep. This browser will receive largely empty. Yep. VUE provides first-class APIs to render a VUE app. This allows the server to send back already rendered HTML, allowing end users to see content immediately while the JavaScript is being downloaded. Vue will then hydrate the application on client and make it interactive. Yep. Higher level Vue-based frameworks built on top of its paradigm, such as Next. Yeah. All right, let's just get into building something. Playground. Oh, the sun is bright. All right, let's do that. Yeah, get rid of that. Vue projects, let's call it that. TypeScript. Yes. Vue router for single page app? Yes, for now. Pinia for state management. I should probably know what that does. And testing. Oh my god, I will avoid end-to-end right now. Yes, line for code quality, yes. Prettier for code, yes. UDev tools 7. Sure. This will be interesting. Okay, I have to go with light when the sun is shining in my face. This is still Tama testing. Here we go, Vue project. App. Main. It didn't install the dependencies, that's cool. Format. It's the linter. Okay. Div. Five 173. For some reason it opened it in the other browser. Okay, you did it. Good job. Guessing these are the dev tools. Yep. It's so dark. Let's go light mode. Appearance. Yay. Okay. Kimono tree. Welcome, 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 welcome. Close. Oops. Okay. Let's pick apart how that works. I'm guessing it was just asking if I wanted to install Vue support. And I did. Oh, come on. Do we need a restart? Fine. Why? It's right there, man. So, router link, view router. Okay, hello world. It's a component, okay. Bunch of plain CSS, okay. Oh, I wonder if it's just, it doesn't know view extensions when inside a TS extension. Because it looks like it's referencing these fine. Anyway. Define props, interesting. So we have a message. Cool. Welcome, the welcome. Where is that used? Home. Views about home. Got it. Welcome items. That was like this, right? Yes. Item. Tree. About. It would be cool if it highlighted the component on the page. Feed inspect. Okay. This is, yep. It's kind of slow. It's interesting. Where is this used? Nowhere. So this is dead code. It's cool. Okay, well, if we want to store, we give it a name. We have a reference. We increment, okay? Sure. I guess let's try to put it in here. Get rid of all of this crap. Actually, I don't even know how. How do I import? Import use. What was it called? Counter store. How do I even use it now? Oh yeah, I have AI. The welcome. How do I use the imported function in this VUE component? Yes. It will know how to do that. Oh, neat. So we instantiate, similar to React, but not exactly because there's not a setter. We just mutate, which is super weird. But I guess I'll get used to that. So we just say counter store count. Okay, mutate it up. Decrement. So, probably wondering why I'm not copy pasting because I'll remember it better if I actually type it out. But then click increment. That's super weird that it's a string. So used to using, oops. Like avoiding strings altogether for referential, it's not referential integrity. What would you call that? It's just like, reusability. Okay. It works. Feels like there's a lag. It's like a half a millisecond lag. Maybe it's faster when it's built. Half a millisecond. 200 milliseconds. Okay, that stores using Pina, but state without a store is just like a variable. Like that. So just know what to do. No. That's a little magical. Where'd the docs go? Import maps, splitting, application, component, hierarchy, mounting on the app, sort of like what I was doing, except this create function is giving it the count. Okay. Mount multiples, yep. Text interpolation, attribute binding, VI bind, shorthands without the VI bind, same name shorthand. Oh, nice. Using expressions within your template. Simple property keys to our templates, but Vue could actually support the full power of JavaScript expression inside data bindings. Expressions will be evaluated as JavaScript in the data scope of the current component instance. In Vue templates, JavaScript expression can be used in the following positions. Inside the text interpolations, yep. In the attribute value of any Vue directives. Special attributes start with a V dash. Okay. Oh, didn't I see ref before? There's something like referencing a value. How did this get so far? That's pretty good. Calling functions. Unmounted. Oops. Oh, I need coffee. Options API. Function that returns initial reactive state for component instance. Okay. There it is. I knew I wasn't crazy. So yeah, the ref is the beginning. Yeah, initial state. I wonder if it can be inside an object. No. It seems upset about that. This, change this to just that. Wait, it should be happy, right? It's like the same thing. Oh, value. As a value property. What? What am I missing? Count? Interesting. Feelings. Seems all right. I don't know. What is that called? There's some technical term for it. I don't know. I guess inconsistencies. It's like you'd expect this to be the same name as this. And it's confusing that it's different. Action state view. This reminds me of Redux. Simple state management with activity API. Where am I, by the way? All the way down here. Interesting. So now there's something called reactive. If you have a piece of state, it should be shared between multiple instances, you can use reactive. Oh, I see. So this becomes some kind of store. So now the question is, why does Pina exist? Yeah. Click store increment. Although we're using a single reactive object, we can also share reactive state, creating a user, share reactive state created using other reactivity APIs, such as ref or computed, or even global state from composable. What is this? So you create your own sort of utility file, have lifecycle events, adding it to the window, which takes X and Y. Oh, okay, I kind of get it. Interesting. Be right back. I'm gonna make some coffee. Not that anybody's watching this anyway. Coffee is my food. Making some coffee. Sounds like my coffee might be ready. Ooh, scoped. Does that mean it's scoped to this component? That would make sense. Sense it does make. Okay, coffee. Sweet coffee. Sweet, sweet coffee. Cool. I have so much to learn. I wonder how forms work. Oh my God, so much to learn. I don't know what this is. Viewify. I've seen this logo. I've heard this name. Tailwind, of course. Shetzian View. Headless UI. Why is there no way to sort? Show me your components. Look at that popover is kind of yucky. Feels yucky. V model. I want like a full form example in Vue playground. Here we go. What? So it's giving, it's passing data, property of form, and all the fields. coffee is too hot. Form starts here. Form, name, control, B model form dot name. So it just assumes form dot name exists. Man, VUE just has too much magic. So much magic. Get out of here. My coffee is too hot. I guess I should try these anyway if I have to learn this shit. I already prefer React. So yeah, all right, I'll put, can we do things like this? Does that blow up? Or like this? Or inline styles? Is that a thing? No. What? What? Inline styles in Vue.js. Oh, Vue style. Okay. Interesting. So it says, basically make a ref for the default message value. Just an empty string. Okay. An input the model message. Okay. Placeholder message the message. Means I should be able to do this. Oh, but it needs to be like white or something. Look at the counter is white. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, but it's not reactive. What the fuck? VUE killing me. Killing me. Message is message. What the? V model message, placeholder message, message. It's like the same fucking thing. Ugh. The magic is annoying. Does this even work? Yeah. Okay, yeah. Oh, why did it start working? Oh, that's annoying. This is why I don't like magic. Oh, so stupid. Magic, okay. How does one do form validation? Form validation. How do you do form validation in Vue.js? Is this like old Vue? This looks like an old version. have refs? I don't understand why it's not wrapped in a form. Okay, here's something more realistic. Put in one giant file. Okay, thanks. So what needs to be done on key up, enter, so call add to do when you hit the enter key. Okay. Add to do says trim the value if it exists, push into value array to do's are in local storage. Oh, and then clear the value of the input. It's fine, makes sense. Filtered. Where's that get used? Oh, filtered. This looks like a good example. Yeah. I need a break.